welcome back to my YouTube channel on the AI native series. So last class we have discussed about the thing how we can do a requirement analysis with the natural language queries. So for last class we have gone through the how the products can be added to a shopping cart, so that we have done. So we have developed a code where it can give us a functionality and non-functionality test case summary. So that is just a test case summary and the gap analysis that I have done. So today we are going to extend the same here. So that thing, so last class we have developed a requirement analysis agent. So that is only functional and non-functional test case gathering and gap identifier. So today we are going to develop over that one, that is a agent specifications. So here the role is getting changed, that is a senior architect engineer. So here we are going to get the test suite for the cases that we have generated. So the thing is the sample JSON format here is the, so we are, that thing need to be there. So functional, non-functional, edge cases, boundary cases need to be there. Over that we are going to generate a test suite summary. So for functional, negative, boundary, edge cases, so means how it will look like is the, so the title and the steps how we can do and what is the expected result. So those kind of thing how we can do. So let's see. So this is how the integration requirement is that already presented. We already developed this one. So I have already pasted commentation on that one. So requirement analyst test document to test case designer. So we are going to convert the normal agent into another one agent. So we are going to deploy over the same. So let's see how we can do the same user story and everything is same. But the thing is that we are going to deploy the same thing. So I have used the Claude paid version here because it need to generate a long code that is some 2000 plus line. So I have used the Claude paid version to get this one. So if you see, so this is what the CrewAI. So let's take only the CrewAI integration here. So this is the code that we already saw. So where we have see, this is a normal definition where we have initialized all our model. So everything that is done here. So this is normal as usual how we can done the everything. So here we have used Gemini. So Gemini model 1.5 Flash we have used. So I think last class I forgot to inform this one as I go over the overbrief of that. So we last class itself we have used the Gemini API based only this is. So we are going to extend this into a QA test case designer. So we are going to import the previous function. So that one let's keep as it is. So that is do a 50% of job. So we are going to do another one 50% of job. So here I have imported all the thing. So this is the requirement analyst file. So that we have imported everything that are present in this one. So in this file, what are the test cases that are, what are the function that is present? So I think this one. So in this, what are the function that they are present? I have imported everything here. So that is how been imported. So in the integrated QA system, so we are going to use all the functions and we are going to enhance that into a test case designer. So let me start from the def main so that you guys can able to understand it clearly. So you can see there is a very lengthy code, but I haven't typed a single line of code. So just I fine tuned it. So I haven't typed a single line of code. That is the power of AI. So you guys might think that I was well versed in coding. So I am not that much idea. I just use AI to make it. So same thing as user story, acceptance criteria, everything as it is mentioned. So I have mentioned, I have hard coded the model name. So even you can use Gemini 3. So Gemini 3 is now available, which is a very good model, a model like never like before. So even you can use any kind of model. So I have used 1.5 Flash. So you can use even 2.5 or 3, any kind of thing you can use it. So we will be validating the integration system, some or few checks that is made. So here the QA system, what it will do is that it will process the user story and the complete the results output. So the thing this will do the shopping cart analysis. Shopping cart, as we are using the e-commerce website only, right? So we are using that, and we are doing some additional thing that we are generating some reports over there, and the report we have some kind of widgets and many things we are doing. And also we are calculating some success criteria also there. So how the test suite need to be, how one application see. So let me start from the start how the QA integration test case agent is developed over that one. So let me go over the glance. So this is what some import text meant. So this is the test case designer agent. So here you see they have initializing LLM model. So which is nothing but our Gemini. So they are using the model name. So Gemini API key and temperature I'm giving as a 2. So slightly higher for creative test scenarios. So if you need a creative ideas, you can even improve it. So as I need some standard oriented approach, so I have used the temperature as 0.2. So here it will set up agent. So it will use some, we are defining the role. So we are defining the goal and we are also giving some backend idea. So I have already said the prompt need to be very much clear. So even if it is an agentic approach, we need to use prompt, right? So that's why we have clearly mentioning these things. And then we are doing some LLM initiation and iteration tools also. Then we are creating a template. So functionality positive, functional negative, boundary, edge cases, integration, performance, anything. And then here we are designing the test case. So we are importing the document from our previous cases. So the first 50% is same as it is. So functional, non-functional, functional gap analysis, everything is done as per that only. We haven't made any changes there. So we are giving that to a CrewAgent and we are improving the output. So that is last like previous. So we are doing some additional things is that we are generating the test cases and analyzing the coverage. So generating the test cases, which is quite different. So let's see how that is defined over there. So here if you see, they're extending the coverage. So the functional coverage, they are creating some more things. So each one has its own call. So if it is, this will call this one. So generate a specific test cases for the functional requirement. So requirement ID, description, priority category. So the both the general and positive negative cases, some kind of user query they are giving, and that is given into the agent. Some expected output that also they are given. So here the CrewAI will be called over the task. So this task, this priority task will be given out, and some output will be returned to the create LLM convert. So this will convert our prompt into a test case. So this will be given into a LLM model, and that will create a test cases, and that will be appended to our report. So as we know, like previously, the template will be created and all the test case will be appended like this. So parameter, steps, action, how to do. So I will be attaching this link below, so you guys can go over it. So there will be a lot of information. So each has its own benefit. So this is an entirely AI generated code. So there may be redundant information also that we can skip it. So that's not needed. So let me go through what it generated. So this is the shopping cart analysis document. This is the final document that it have generated. So here if you see, this is the test case generator. So here you see the suit number, the test case for as a customer, I want to add to my shopping. So this is the test case title. So description is a comprehensive test suite generated from the requirement analysis. So title is the primary test, add the product to a shopping cart. So this is one test case. So it is a highly priority and the precondition is that system ready, user authenticated. So these are some precondition. So step one, execute add product to a shopping cart, verify successfully completed, and add product to shopping. So these are some kind of steps and the expected results are given. So here some test data also given, some requirement test data, valid input and valid test input. So these are them. So automation ready is also giving. So automation ready, we can do it automatable. Automation level is fully automatable. So risk level is medium, coverage tag is functional and coverage. So like this, it are given for many things. So you can see, even it's taking more time to scroll. So that much cases it has generated. So even if you see, I have used the free models only. Gemini is free. For generating the code, I have used the Claude paid version. But for this one, I have used the Gemini free version only. You see how much cases it has generated. See, let's take example. So here some non-functionality cases also doing. So configure test environment and execute the valid recipe and measure the results. Verify the compliance with the requirement. So it has generated a huge thing. So even 4,000, 5,000 lines of output it has generated. And you see the total things. So total how the coverage is, total 35 test cases covered, coverage and coverage percentage 100% automatable. So functionality 15, non-functionality 10, edge case 15, and total distribution is negative 30, performance non-functional, so that it generated more thing. So totally it had created 1 or 2 test cases. Here if you see, it have just used a free version, that is 1.5 flash. So if we have used Gemini 3 here, then we can even generate up to 1000 test cases. You guys can try it. So I'm not going to try that one. I'm leaving this to you. So this is with this agent. So let's see the overall thing. So how the overall both the things are combined, right? So if we think this is the just analysis thing. So let's see what the coverage report it have made. So test coverage analysis is that. So it have generated 35 coverage. So 100% is covered there. Functionality 15, 10 edge cases and automation ready. Some percentage it's are giving. So these are something it itself done. So what we have done is that we have developed a test case designer agent over the CrewAI which have previously generated. So this is what the another one code that we have developed over that one. So combining both things, so we have able to get the huge number of benefit. So you see, within just a click of run, we could able to generate this much of test case suits. So this is very awesome, right? So we are able to generate a huge number of test suit here. So this cannot be a general purpose. So like e-commerce website, not even in your working or in any kind of a project, you guys can use it. So this is a simple thing. So just you need to create a Gemini API and you can use it in your env. So I have written like a project structure here. So this API key is expired, so don't try with this. So I have given like a code based kind of thing I have done. So env I have used all the APIs there. Then init file I have initialized something. So readme I have given all the specification how this will work and the coverage report and all the requirement document modules and validation report. So everything I have done here. So I have created a repo kind of thing. So I will even attach this repo in the comment section below. So please go and watch all the things. So I hope this integration QA agent will giving you some better idea. So both the agent I have generated with the CrewAI only. So CrewAI, which was very much nice. So which is working very good. So I hope this is very understood for you guys. So you guys also please use CrewAI along with the LLM models like a Gemini, OpenAI, or any kind of things you can try it. And please post the results if you guys are able to see some good response with this model or any kind of things. So please try to make a hands off on it. So please like, share, and subscribe the channel so that you guys will be get notified on all of the things. So we are doing another one foundation course also. Please watch that too also. I need your support in all the things. So please post your comments in the valuable feedback in the comments. So stay tuned guys. Let's see in the next lecture. Thank you. Bye.